Small team for a small restaurant, you know, we don't need you know, like 6-7 chefs in here or like 4 or 5 people in there.
Yeah.
You know, it's very interactive, very personal service. So yeah, a small team is more than enough.
Yeah.
And too many people here will stumble on each other. So yeah, it's probably busy.
But busy during the day, I can imagine.
Pardon?
Busy during the day.
Yeah, definitely. I mean, we come from around 8, 9 in the morning. We do prep until about 4 o'clock. We start setting up the restaurant, making everything sure it's in place, everything is ready, nice, clean and neat. Once the 6 dinner time hits, we're ready for service and everything that goes with it. As it's a beautiful, nice experience, you know. It's very easy, manageable as well as a team. Being a small team, it has its pros and cons, but mainly its pros, being that communication is never a lack of communication. No, there's never like a miscommunication between us. Where this goes wrong, two ways. I like in a big restaurant where you have about maybe 30 people in the same session. Same service. It's a little bit more hectic, but yeah, over here this is all we know what we're doing, we talk with each other, we have fun, we enjoy. I always wanted to work in a chef's table. Been working my whole life in customer service, and I love working with the guests. It's beautiful because in this type of service you don't have people to come and touch your table. But as far as I'm concerned, it will not make people need to pay personal touch with the guest. Obviously, like me talking to you, they will say, well, I'm coming to talk to you, and then I will talk to you. So by the end of the night, you will not know who talked to you and who not. Exactly. But I love to interact with the guests. I always have a couple of my colleagues who are talking too much with the guests, and they always come and step in behind and okay, you have no place to take care of. There's nothing wrong with that. But I always want to come and stay home, you know, you get to chat with everybody at the same time, you know, talk about your experiences, you know, talk about our lives, our meals, what we do, what we like, what we do not like. And that's an important experience. That's what makes it. This is the meantime we have a good food, we have some great food. Nice summer of Saturdays, and it's really, really love it. And I hope you enjoy the trip. Now, on the next one, would you like to walk? What do you like? What do you think? Definitely. No, don't worry about it. Alright, so for an experience, we need to beautiful restaurant. We're going to try about 3 liters. Sugar, or you can do fruits, basically. But vinegar and sugar. Green herb is making all which means that I get trying. Basically, which we use in sandwich. On this one, I added a little bit more mix to my own parts from the bottle of the and make us nice one. And we turn it into a shop, so it's going to have that nice acidity, that nice vinegar flavor to it. in the end with a little bit of sweetness. It's going to go with the smokiness and the punchiness of the dish. No, it's not right. So what I do, I take walnuts, not really no sugar there, I put the vinegar in there, which is a silver small vinegar, then I pack it, cook it for 1 hour, and flavor the obviously water to please. Thank you.
You film every meal like this? So now we have our grilled salad. So we have different vegetables and leaves. Some coming from the garden, some coming from as far as Chiang, and some coming from our farm, which is just in Phuket, about 45 minutes away. We start at the bottom with Mach Kwan pepper custard. So Mach Kwan pepper is basically a Thai Szechuan pepper. We finish that off with a cheese sauce we make from cheese from Chiang called Tомме Chiang. Some roasted pumpkin, some cabbage hearts, some wing beans, some dokkajon, which is a local vegetable. We finish off with a kale dressing as well.